kidding me right now? This literally always happens. Oh my god. She fucking did. Okay, let's jumpstart this car now. This thing is my literal lifesaver. You guys watched my Christmas gift ideas video. I put this thing on there and I swear by this thing. I use it in a normal amount of times, which I don't even think is good because why does the FRS die so much if I don't drive it for a couple days? I just grab this guy, this side. Okay, so hard start, let's turn it on. There we go. Hopefully with the drive right now, it'll recharge up, juice up the battery, and then we should be fine. I'm taking you guys along with me on my day. I'm doing a little day in my life. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I just wanted to vlog today. I'm going to pick up some hoodies for my brand Streetless for this new drop. I hope it fits in the FRS. You guys know this car is super tiny, so I don't know how many boxes it's gonna be, but I'm hoping it's only like one big one or maybe two big ones. I don't know, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going to Seamless Garments. That's a little printing shop that I went with. Not too far away, but I do have about a 30-minute drive right now. So let's definitely head there now. I'm so excited to see these sweaters in person. Obviously I've gotten pictures, but I want to see them in person. I haven't made hoodies for my brand in so long, it feels like. My last hoodies I dropped were probably like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. They're kind of similar to the ones I last dropped. Those were seriously my favorite. I got a new design made. I hadn't done a drop with the new look of the FRS, with the new wing, with the new wheels, with the new taillights. So this was needed. It's a perfect time for the holidays. Today is my day off, so I'm trying to get all my stuff done because December is gonna be super busy. I have a trip coming up. Obviously, holidays are coming up. So I'm trying to get ahead now, plan out the rest of the year. Gotta end the year strong. We're ending the year super strong. Just picked up the hoodies. It was 3 boxes and they were able to fit, thankfully, because I don't think another box would have fit. Actually, if I played some Tetris with it, it would have fit. It's time to head home. I'm hungry. I need to get home. We gotta upload my video. We're back home and I'm gonna eat a small, quick breakfast. This is what we opt for. These things are my guilty pleasure. This is my favorite thing to eat literally every single day. S'mores, the best flavor. If you haven't tried one of these, go try them. They're so freaking good. So while I eat this, I do have to upload my video. I finished it up yesterday. It's all ready. I just gotta publish it and then I gotta do my Instagram post to go along with that one. I'm planning out the end of this month and basically my whole schedule for next month. Have the time to wash my car now and film that video, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna change real quick because just have a different outfit for that video. I'm gonna also put my hair up. I need to get more of my Streetless stuff done. I don't even know if I've said it that I'm actually dropping December 15th. I originally had done December 13th. Funny enough, I accidentally put the wrong date on my post yesterday, so I'm just keeping that Sunday now, but it's okay, it's fine. We will survive this. I do still need to look through those hoodies. I'm trying to post more consistently in December. There's no way I could do Vlogmas. I don't think I could do that, but I am trying to post every like 3 to 4 days. I have a little schedule that I built and I keep that going because I don't think I've ever been this consistent ever in my life. Let's go wash this car now. We got the boxes. I do want to look through all of them, just make sure all the sizes are there, fine tune my inventory so I could put them up on the website pretty soon. I'm going to be counting. Not that fun. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. This literally came out perfect. Like, I wanted this type of embroidery this time. It's a little bit different than my last ones, but I love this. It looks like literal stitch work. I loved my other hoodies as well, but the other one was more like a patch. Actually, it looks like embroidery, if that makes sense. Even though the other one was embroidery, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it, but I just love this so much. Here's the hoodie. I literally love it. It is so comfortable. I'm so obsessed with it. Oh, it's so warm, and now that the sun's going down, it's like it's a little chilly outside. It's like the perfect time to have this on. I'm gonna start doing this inventory. I'm probably just gonna do it really quickly just to make sure everything's here. Which it looks like it, but you can never be too sure. I think I'm gonna take some quick photos. I need to take them in the next like 5 seconds because the sun's about to go away. I'm gonna do like a bedroom photo shoot. I had like an idea to do like a magazine style. I've never done something like that, but I'm gonna try it. I think I could do it. I'm gonna take some quick photos in this as well in my room. It's time to eat. I am starving. There is great lighting in this fridge. I broke a freaking nail, but that's okay because I'm gonna take them off anyways. So I'm gonna make my pasta then. Let's get that started. And I'm gonna cook this ground beef that I put out in the morning. Smart thinking, because that's literally the worst feeling. Like, I understand my mom now when she'd be like, take out the chicken. That's literally me now. I just realized I didn't even make myself a coffee today. It's only 4 p.m. so I think I deserve it. I need to show you guys my freaking bomb coffee recipe. It's more like a treat. My food literally came out so good. I'm floating. I'm gonna work on this little spread that I have in my mind. Hopefully the pictures look decent. They're kind of funny because I just took them in my room. I think they will work. This one I want to do like a outfits inspo. What we're working with. Need to add some text. These are some of the pictures I'm working with. This is my outfit one. I need to do that one too. That one. Take it like this. I'm gonna do another page that's like Hello Kitty themed. It's not really Hello Kitty themed, but it's like, I'm gonna take this photo. Took this photo of my camera that I used. Are you guys ready to see my super extra coffee at home recipe? This is like my version of my cookie butter latte, and it's so good. Coffee, of course. French vanilla. Cookie butter, of course. Oat creamer. Heavy whipping cream. Milk. And all of the milks, you might be like, why do you need so many milks? I like to add my cold foam on top. Water. Tiny bits of hot water just to dissolve the cookie butter. Okay, now on the side I get another cup, just a little bit of milk. I get some heavy whipping cream. I literally feel like I'm a barista right now. My French vanilla. Oh no. Holy shit. Holy cow. I usually put in my brown sugar oat milk, but I put way too much syrup in that one, so I'm just gonna put milk and call it a day. Cold foam on top. Looks amazing, looks delicious. Are you kidding me? We're gonna take a little taste test. We're gonna get a milk mustache, but that's how you know you're doing it right. So I actually think I'm going to fix the headlight on the 240. I literally saw the box right now and I was like, wait, let me go do this quickly. I think it's like a quick fix. One of my headlights has been out and I've been driving with the high beams and it's just not ideal. Forgot I had this sitting in my room. Replace it. I did buy both. Let's see the one that is broken. Let me show you guys. I forgot where I ordered this from. It might have been eBay, I think. I don't know. Let me show you guys. This one is out. It works with the high beams. It is super bright when I am in my high beams. I don't like it. Should be a quick, easy fix, hopefully. To take off a couple screws. That took longer than it needed to. These little screws got super stripped. They're terrible. My dad had to come in and get them out because I tried everything. They were not coming out. I had my old headlights, so I got 2 of the screws from those headlights, and it literally only had 2. So it was also missing 2 on those ones. So like that for now. I'm not gonna change out the other one. It works perfectly fine. We got working headlights now.